Top 10 e-bike accessories that make a huge difference. Think your e-bike is already top tier? Wait till you see these upgrades built to boost power, comfort, and pure style. Here is the list of top 10 e-bike accessories that can make huge difference. 10. Bafang Electric Bike Conversion Kit. Need to transform your ordinary bicycle into a super speed e-bike within few minutes? The Bafang Electric Bike Conversion Kit will turn your bike into a powerful one. This is an all-in-one kit that has a strong 500-watt front hub motor that can achieve up to 40 kilometers per hour speed at time when disc brakes are used in order to ensure safe and smooth rides. It has all you need: motor, controller, brake lever, thumb throttle, Bafang LCD display, battery and charger, extension cables, and one T4 connectors. The Hailong 15 amp-hour slim battery provides up to 80 kilometers range and fits well on your frame. The ability to switch between full e-bike mode and pedal assist mode is flexible, and with speed, convenience, and fitness on every ride, it will be a pleasure to use it. 9. Top Crown Bike Cover. Rain, dust, or sun, your bike can stand the test. The Top Crown Bike Cover is an ultra-protection, durable bike cover that helps to protect your bike in style. Constructed of 210D fabric with PU waterproof, hydrophobic, and anti-UV finishes, it protects your bike against rain, sunlight, UV rays, dust, and dirt with a lightweight 80 GSM material. It is available in extra large, double extra large, and triple extra large in size, which fits the bikes of up to 29 inches and can cover 3 bikes. The front and rear wheel buckle, elastic bottom band, and woven nylon lock hole make it tight and wind resistant. Eco-friendly and fly-stylish green accents transform this necessity into an accessory. 8. Zoom Bike Suspension Seat Post. Enhance your ride with number 8 accessory, Zoom Bike Suspension Seat Post, which ensures high levels of comfort and control. With built-in spring coil suspension and shock absorber rubber, it minimizes vibrations and absorbs impacts and provides a smooth riding experience. Use the bottom screw to adjust the rebound force to your own preference. It is composed of 6061 T6 alloy aluminum, and it carries a weight of 50 kilograms to 100 kilograms. Its numerous diameter choices to fit any bike, 40mm suspension travel, and simplicity to install makes this seat post turn all rides into a stable, comfortable, and enjoyable experience regardless of the terrain. 7. Pro Bike Tool Tubeless Bike Tire Repair Kit. Fix flats in seconds with the Bike Tool Tubeless Bike Tire Repair Kit, your ultimate cycling emergency companion. Repair holes instantly by inserting a rubberized rope and re-inflating with a pump or CO2 inflator to get back on the road fast. Includes tire reamer and insertion tool to handle punctures too large for sealing. Comes with 5 small bacon strips and 5 thick strips for versatile repairs on road or MTB tires. Compact CNC machined aluminum capsule stores tools, securely and doubles as a handle. Durable, portable, and user-friendly, it fits perfectly in your saddlebag or backpack for rides anywhere. 6. HOTO Mini Bike Tire Pump, the HOTO. Mini Bike Tire Pump at number 6 is small but incredibly powerful. It can inflate a 700 by 23C road bike tire from 80 to 100 PSI in just 25 seconds, and even a completely flat tire in about a minute. With a maximum pressure of 150 PSI, it works for all types of bike tires and even motorbikes. Its compact size, lightweight design make it easy to carry, and the built-in 2000 mAh battery can inflate multiple tires on a single charge. Smart features like auto shutoff, an LED pressure gauge, and a 360-degree rotating hose make inflating tires fast, accurate, and effortless. 5B IKASE Any Bottle Cage is a versatile and secure bottle holder designed to make hydration easy on any ride. Its expandable design adjusts from 2.25 inches to 4.75 inches, holding water bottles, small containers, or even compact speakers firmly in place. The ambidextrous setup lets you grab your bottle from either side, perfect for quick sips while riding. Made from lightweight yet durable plastic, it stands up to rough trails, bumpy roads, and daily commuting without spilling a drop. Compact, strong, and reliable, this cage keeps your drinks close and accessible, making it an essential accessory for every cyclist seeking convenience, flexibility, and performance. 4. Sportneer Bike Lock. Keep your ride safe and sound with the number 4 accessory in the list, which is Sportneer Bike U-Lock, a perfect mix of strength and portability. Built tough with a zinc alloy lock core and alloy steel head, it can resist hydraulic shear forces up to 12 tons, making it nearly impossible to cut or break. The unique polygonal body and silicone coating protect your bike from scratches, dust, and rust. It includes a 5-foot steel cable for extra security and 2 keys for backup convenience. Compact yet rugged, it's ideal for bikes, e-bikes, gates, and more. Reliable, easy to use, and built for real-world protection, this lock means peace of mind on every ride. 3-INWA Bluetooth speaker. The INWA Bike Bluetooth speaker is positioned at the 3rd spot in the list, and it is a powerful and portable audio companion to all your rides and outdoor adventures. It can manage wet roads, bumps, and rocky roads with its shock-proof and IP65 waterproof features. The inbuilt mic helps you take hands-free calls, leaving you focused on the ride. It has a small display indicating battery level, time, and speed, and is very easy to monitor your ride. It has Bluetooth 5.0, which provides up to 10 meters of fast and stable connection. However, it has an empty slot where you can insert a TF card or AUX cable. With 8 to 12 hours of continuous music, the high-capacity battery keeps the music going on your trip. 2 in-bike gloves. Second runner-up in the list is in-bike gloves, which are ultra-thermal and windproof, featuring a fleeced lining and lengthened wrist hook and loop fastener to lock in warmth and keep cold air out. Equipped with gel padding, 3 strategically placed gel pads absorb shocks, while the superfine palm fabric ensures breathability and comfort during rides. Reflective ribbons on the back enhance visibility for safer winter night cycling. The touchscreen-compatible thumb and index fingertips let you use your phone without removing gloves. Silicone-gripped fingers provide excellent anti-slip performance, perfect for winter cycling, running, functionality, motorcycling, and other outdoor adventures. These gloves combine warmth and safety. 1 ILME bike helmet. Stay safe and ride smart with this accessory. At number 1, ILM eBike helmet. Engineered for excellent safety protection, its one-piece EPS and PC shell offers superior shock absorption for urban commuting, cycling, skateboarding, and e-bikes. Designed for high visibility, it features USB rechargeable front and rear lights with 4 lighting modes for maximum safety. Enjoy cool riding with 10 strategically placed vents for airflow and a lightweight, comfortable fit. The size adjustment system accommodates most head sizes with a detachable tinted lens and eyeglass-friendly design. Removable, washable inner lining keeps you dry and fresh. Well, that's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell button so you don't miss any update. See you in next video. Till then, ride smart, ride safe, and keep pushing your limits.